Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to set up Intune Company Portal in Android. So the first step is to open the Company Portal app and sign in with your work or school account. If prompted to review notification permission for Company Portal, you can adjust notification permission anytime in the settings app. The second step is if you are prompted to accept your organization terms and conditions, tap accept all. Then what you'll have to do is simply review what your organization can and can't see, and then tap continue. Then you'll have to review what to expect in the upcoming steps, then tap next. And as you can see, depending on your version of Android, you might be prompted to allow access to certain parts of your device. These prompts are required by Google, as you can see, and not controlled by Microsoft. So you have to accept and you'll have to allow the app to view these permissions. And after that, after you accept these permissions, you'll have to activate the device admin app. So Company Portal needs device administrator permission to securely manage your device. Activating the app lets your organization identify possible security issues, such as repeated failed attempts to unlock your device, and respond appropriately. So you have to simply tap on activate this device admin app. And then what you have to do is simply confirm. So you have to read and agree to all the terms and conditions and tap on confirm. Then as you can see on the company access setup screen, check that your device is enrolled, then tap continue. And as you can see, your organization might require you to update your device settings. Tap resolve to adjust the setting. When you're done updating settings, tap continue. And as you can see, when setup is complete, tap done, and that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.